What's up guys, welcome back. Recently OnePlus rolled out Oxygen OS Open Beta 1 for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. And OnePlus have also released ColorOS 12 based on Android 12 for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, and that can be installed on global units. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 9 on which I have installed ColorOS 12 on previous versions of ColorOS which were based on Android 11, or you can call it ColorOS 11. On those builds we had issues related to network. But that's not the case on ColorOS 12. If you install ColorOS 12 on your OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, you get almost everything working fine on your device. I've been using this build since yesterday and till now I haven't found any kind of major issues. Though when you install it for the first time, you'll have lots of Chinese bloatwares, but those can be easily uninstalled by long pressing on the applications. Along with that, you won't have Google services pre-installed, so you need to manually install the Google Play Store. Very soon you guys will see a dedicated video on installation of ColorOS 12 on OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. In that video, I'll show you guys how to get the Google services. And here you can take a look at the software information, where it says beta version, device is OnePlus 9, Android version is Android 12, which comes with 5th September 2021 security patch. Calling works fine, which includes Wi-Fi calling and VoLTE services. And before starting the video, once again thank you so much guys for the awesome support. We have crossed 1000 likes on a previous video. Let's again keep a like target of 300 likes on this video. And guys, as you all know, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Basically, I do like the ColorOS on my OnePlus 9 because it comes with lots of features which are yet to be implemented on Oxygen OS, but we are exactly not sure if those things will be added in the upcoming builds of Oxygen OS. I haven't found any kind of issues related to any kind of sensors present on my OnePlus 9 like accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, compass and gyroscope. All the sensors are working great. So this is how ColorOS looks on your OnePlus 9 series. This is a quick setting panel which is completely redesigned, and I personally do like the quick setting panel on ColorOS instead of Oxygen OS. And we have this thick brightness slider at the bottom. Swiping towards the right hand side, we get this so-called OnePlus shelf. Shelf on ColorOS have lots of more features. Also on lock screen, we have this feature towards the left bottom corner from where system automatically selects a wallpaper, and these wallpapers keeps changing on daily basis. Launcher on both the OS is quite similar. And also guys, I have made a dedicated video in which I have compared the difference between Oxygen OS launcher with that of ColorOS launcher. So make sure to check out that video. You can find that video link in the description below. And now talking about the app drawer, here we have few additional applications pre-installed like Game Center, Health application, Phone Manager and a Remote Guard, where if you want you can also supervise someone, and a dedicated theme store which have also been added on Oxygen OS 12. So inside the settings, the similar settings panel what we get on Oxygen OS. Wi-Fi, both the Wi-Fi seems to be stable enough, like both the bands 2 GHz and 4 GHz, but I have been seeing some issues with related to Bluetooth, and this issue also present on Oxygen OS 12 Open Beta 1. My Bluetooth devices, like I basically use Realme Buds Air 2, and these buds keeps disconnecting after every 10 to 15 minutes. Under personalization, we have similar stuff, but there are few additional always on styles on ColorOS. Here's the edge lightning feature. On the previous version, which was of ColorOS 11, on that we used to see the entire screen being covered by edge light except the top side. Now they have completely changed the edge lightning feature, which now only been seen towards the right and left hand side. And this feature can also be applied for incoming calls. On ColorOS, we have this additional feature called video ringtones, and you can choose any videos for the callers. And here under special features, we have some new add-ons, like you get to see flexi window, smart slide bar, which you can access from here. And if you want, you can also customize this thing. There's also a new mode called Simple Mode, which brings larger text, bigger icons and louder sounds. And I think this feature is quite handy for aged people. Enabling this feature will increase the font size, app icons and also increase the sounds. So this is how Simple Mode looks. Here's the setting panel of Simple Mode, and if you want to exit, just tap on Exit Simple Mode and you'll be back to normal. And then we have few more stuff like kids mode, driving mode, sleep mode and a retouch appearance feature in the video calls. Supported video calls applications will be added here automatically, and if you want you can also change the effect from weak to strong. And then at last under settings, we have this convenience tool where you can customize the screenshot options, screen recording features, and the best part of this screen recording feature which they have added on OnePlus devices on both the OS, ColorOS and OxygenOS, we now have the ability to also use front camera while doing screen recording. And at last, we also have this working one-handed mode. So this feature can also be triggered just by swiping at the bottom side. Last but not the least, we also have this floating windows option. So you can go to the recents panel, tap on these three dots, and you'll have an option to select floating windows. And from here, if you want, you can also resize the floating windows. And one of the important feature which I forgot to mention at the starting of this video, and that's this RAM expansion feature. So here, if you have an 8GB variant, you can expand the RAM up to 5GB. So here you can see we have three options. One is 2GB, 3GB and 5GB. You can enable this feature to get additional RAM on your device, and I think this feature will only work when the present RAM on your device is being used at max level. I've enabled this feature on ColorOS. I'll try to push my OnePlus 9 to its maximum limit with this feature turned on and once turned off, so that I can get a better idea about how useful is this virtual RAM feature. So stay tuned for that. A video will be live on this topic soon. So guys, this was a quick look on ColorOS 12 based on Android 12 for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions related to ColorOS, make sure to drop them in the comment section. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.